Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you 5 more famous Minecraft maps you've probably forgotten about. Number 5, Dante DM's Lab. This wasn't just a map, it was the foundation of a whole era of Minecraft content. It featured Dr. Trayaurus and a mix of mods, storytelling and gameplay. For millions of viewers, this lab is pure nostalgia and the starting point of unforgettable childhood memories. Number 4, Fallen Kingdom map. This was created for Captain Sparkle's Fallen Kingdom music video series starting in 2012. It wasn't just a build, it was part of one of the most high quality cinematic Minecraft productions. The map itself became iconic in animation and storytelling. Number 3, Skygrid. This is created by Seth Bling in 2012. It turned the world into a floating grid of random blocks suspended in the void. There were no rules, but to just survive. It was chaotic, punishing, and creative. Number 2, the classic Xbox 360 tutorial world. For many players, this wasn't just a map, it was their first Minecraft experience, just like mine actually. It guided players through the basics while hiding secrets and charming details. It represents that unforgettable first time playing Minecraft feeling that's hard to replicate today. And number 1, Herobrine's Mansion. It was created by Hypixel in 2012, and it set the gold standard for adventure maps. It featured boss fights, custom mobs, and co-op gameplay. For many, it's also tied to memories of playing with friends, late night sessions, Skype calls, and planning the next boss fight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.